biggest pain in the ass ever. The margins don't even match up. I've had to get a wrench, a screwdriver, and try to match them up. The bottom does not even fit properly. I've spent about an hour and 30 minutes on this, tons of tools. I'm gonna have to replace it my own way. No matter what I do, the margins don't even match up. These things, you'll need Hulk Hogan or somebody strong enough. Even with major tools, these things don't go down without breaking it. It doesn't line up properly. If I can give it 0 stars, I would.